Hi, it's James here from 1300 Truck Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to use the 25 Cube, one of our car license trucks. First of all, these trucks are automatic drivable, so you have park, neutral, reverse and drive. I'll show you a demonstration. Down into neutral and across into drive, and off you go. Down into neutral and down again into reverse to go backwards. Back into park when you're finished. Handbrake and indicators work just like a normal car. These trucks have reverse cameras as well, and they'll come on immediately when you go into reverse. When it comes to refueling the vehicle, the diesel tank is on the driver's side and it will say diesel for you. We'll give them to you full of fuel and you just return them the same if possible. Put the main key used to drive into the locking fuel cap, twist it, and then undo the fuel cap. Give a bit of a wiggle, out it comes. When you're finished, again, just wiggle that back on, twist it, and then twist the key to lock it again and pull the key out. The 25 cubes come with a very heavy duty lifter, and I'm going to show you how that works now. First thing we want to do is make sure we have the truck parked where it needs to be. So in front of your driveway, take out the locking pin. There's just that one on the side. Now over here we have our control box. Lift that up. Using the red key attached to the key ring, we'll plug that into the on and off section. So like that until it stops. Hold this control over to number 1, which is the picture of this box and your hands. It's a dead man switch, so you will need to continue holding it while operating the lifter. Holding it there, we have 4 controls. We can bring the lifter out, in, down or up. So we'll start off by bringing the lifter out. Continue to hold this until the lifter is either level with your driveway or just flat. Then lower the lifter until it touches the ground. You'll see that the blue wheels touch the ground first. Once that happens, you're ready to tilt it again to make it smooth at the ground, and you can start loading. Now this lifter will carry 2 ton, so as long as it's placed correctly, you can load this thing up quite heavily. Once you've loaded up your goods, you'll want to flatten out the lifter so nothing falls off, and then raise it up. One thing you'll notice about the 25 cubes is that they do not have rear doors. This is because the lifter acts as the rear door on the truck. Also, when using these lifters, there is an option to unhook these pedals here, which will stop things from rolling off the back of the truck. When you're finished and you're fully loaded, raise the lifter to the top as we've done here, and then using this direction, the left-hand side, fold it in until the lifter touches the seal. Once this happens, take out the red key, close the box, and then ensure that the spring-loaded lock is back into place. And that's how you use the 25 cube.